Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we're going to make lavender lemon zucchini bread. So right here I have some dry raw flowers of the lavender plant. So this is some good stuff. It's very strong, like it needs to be. It's wonderful. And then I have 2 zucchini that I shredded, and this is about 2 medium size. I should have showed you the zucchini, but they were about this long, if that tells you anything. I guess that's about 8 inches long. And so let's go ahead and get started. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and into the flour I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients, which includes a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a heaping teaspoon of lavender flowers. So right there, and they smell amazing. So I'm just going to sprinkle this over the top. Salt is sticking a little bit. And we're going to mix this up. Alright, so in the liquid bowl, I'm going to put the brown sugar, which I know brown sugar is dry, but I want to make sure it's in liquid state by the time we get it into the one bowl. Alright, I have a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, got 2 eggs. A 1/4 cup of oil, so vegetable oil of your choice. Alright, and half a stick of melted butter. Yep, watch out, Paula Deen. Y'all remember her? She actually has a YouTube channel now. So, anyway, let's get this mixed up. So you see how the brown sugar is becoming kind of liquidy? Because if I had mixed it in with the flour, I would have had a problem with maybe having a couple of lumps of brown sugar. But here it's dissolved, so now I know it won't do that. So there we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add that into the dry ingredients. Switch up the bowls. Bam. Alright, so let's mix this quickly, and you just want to mix until everything is moist. You don't want to over mix. And I smell that lemon and the lavender in there. Oh my goodness. So I will tell you, I am just kind of making this up as I go along. Well, I didn't just make it up. I, planned ahead. But it is an original Chef Carter's Cooking Corner recipe. Alright, so now for the zucchini. And it's going to seem like a lot, but it is zucchini bread. And I already prepared my pan before I start mixing. I just sprayed it with a little bit of Pam or cooking spray, as the generic name would be. This looks crazy, but it's going to be so good. Okay, so you want to just kind of fold that in. Until it's mixed well. Now you see how it looked like it was too much zucchini. Now that when it's mixed with the batter, you can see it's a better ratio. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead, I don't want to over mix this, so I'm going to go ahead and get the pan and put it in there. Alright, so I have the mixture, the zucchini bread mixture in here. I forgot to tell you, I forgot, that's 1.5 cups of brown sugar that went in there. So, there we go. And again, I sprayed this pan before I put the bread mixture in there. Alright, and you don't have to use a large pan like this. You could use 2 loaf pans instead. And the cooking time would be about 50 minutes. This should take about 30 minutes in the oven, since I put it in a 9 by 13 pan. So, it's up to you. It can be done both ways. Alright, be right back. Well, I'll be back after it's baked. Alright, so here is my completed zucchini bread. So, it is a little lopsided. I don't think I was careful enough when I spread it, and then my oven's a little wee-wah as well. So, let me go ahead and get a piece out of here. I just use this. I did let it cool. I should have probably let it cool a little longer, but no biggie. Oh, that's a little slanted. Alright. So, I think I'm going to go ahead and get this piece right here. Oh. Okay, good. First piece is always hard. Alright, so here we go. Doesn't it look delicious? So I can tell it's going to be very moist. Be right back. That is an explosion of flavor. Because you got a little lemon, a little of the lavender, and the zucchini is so moist, but it adds a bit of texture. It's really good. So go ahead and try my recipe, see if you like it. Again, this is an original recipe. And also, while you're here, go ahead and watch some more videos. Tell your friends about my channel. And like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Make sure you wash them hands and take care. Bye.